NFL Kickoff 2023, Kansas City Chiefs vs. Detroit Lions, game preview. Hey there, sports fans. Welcome back to Make Money Online, your ultimate destination for all things NFL. I'm Maurice McPherson, and today, we've got something special for you as we gear up for the start of the NFL season. The defending Super Bowl champions, the Kansas City Chiefs, are set to take on the Detroit Lions on Thursday, September 7, 2023. Buckle up because we've got all the juicy details right here. The NFL Kickoff 2023 is going to be a showdown like no other. The reigning champions, the Kansas City Chiefs, led by the remarkable Patrick Mahomes, are ready to defend their title in style. But they'll be facing off against the Detroit Lions, a team looking to make a statement this season. Patrick Mahomes, the NFL's golden boy, is back for another season. With his incredible arm strength, pinpoint accuracy, and unmatched football IQ, he's the heart and soul of the Chiefs' offense. But the Lions have something up their sleeve too, with the talented young quarterback they drafted last year. The Chiefs are known for their high-octane offense, while the Lions have invested heavily in their defense this offseason. It's going to be a classic clash of styles. Can the Lions' revamped defense contain Mahomes and his arsenal of weapons? Let's talk about the key matchups to watch out for in this game. The Lions' pass rush versus the Chiefs' offensive line will be critical. If they can pressure Mahomes, it might just tip the scales in their favor. And on the offensive side, the Lions will need their young quarterback to step up and make some big plays. Can he handle the pressure against the Chiefs' defense? But wait, there's more. This game isn't just about football. It's also about the electrifying atmosphere of the NFL Kickoff. From the pregame festivities to the halftime show, there's something for everyone. So, mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready for a football feast as the Kansas City Chiefs clash with the Detroit Lions in the NFL Kickoff 2023 on Thursday, September 7th. It's going to be a night to remember. That's a wrap for today's preview of the NFL Kickoff 2023. Who do you think will come out on top in this exciting season opener? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, stay tuned for more football action right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.